Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Open Camera app and giving it camera and microphone access so nothing blocks shooting. Once done, enable grid lines and the level indicator to compose straight horizons. Make RAW active when you need more editing headroom. Next, switch the capture mode to photo and pick an aspect ratio, 4:3 for general use, 16:9 for widescreen. Tap on your subject to focus and watch exposure, adjust before you press the shutter. With the basics set, you now control exposure and focus precisely. Long press the focus box to lock focus and exposure. This keeps your settings steady for a recomposed shot. Then, make targeted changes. Lower ISO for cleaner images, lengthen shutter speed for motion blur, or tweak EV to avoid blown highlights. If conditions call for it, switch to manual focus and enable focus peaking. This makes critical focus visible, especially for close-ups and macro shots, so you finish each shoot by stabilizing and verifying results. Use the timer or a remote trigger to prevent camera shake when pressing the shutter. After capture, inspect the histogram and the RAW file to confirm exposure latitude. Make iterative adjustments and reshoot if needed. If images come out too dark, increase ISO or slow the shutter, but watch for noise and motion blur. If controls are missing, double-check app permissions and storage access. Restarting the app often resolves odd behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.